got this thing stripped. I'll go ahead and grab the material and I'll show you what I got. So we're going back with a light gray suede on this. And yeah, it's super nice. I'm in love with that material. I like it a lot. So let's go ahead and flip this way.
There we go.
Yeah. Check that out. So, all we gotta do is start getting everything glued down so we can start our trim. Just want to pull it to where I know I've got enough over the edge here. Yep, that's about right. I know we're good on this side. All right, so here comes the fun part. The 3M Super Trim Adhesive.
Not sponsored.
Correct, it is not sponsored, but if you get this stuff on you, you're gonna know it because it won't come off until maybe a week later. I'm gonna start out here in the middle. So that way we can stretch it from the center. All right. Crease.
Okie dokie.
Yep, there we go, and here is the finished product. I'm just ironing the creases on the edge of the holes so it all looks good and square. And that's all there is to it, folks.
I know we didn't get any like before images, but this looks a lot better.
Yeah, it was all droopy before. It was all, you know, well, it was horrible. It was horribly bad.
Now it looks brand new.
Yep, brand new suede headliner, and that's how we do it. Oh, R&R style. That's exactly what I'm saying. A lot heavier gauge than what comes on factory. I mean, the factory stuff you can rip. You can't rip this stuff. You can rip the backing on it, but yeah, you couldn't rip that. So there we go. Brand new headliner, 98 Ford, R&R style.